Hi guys, welcome to TechRook's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the top selling digital products that you can sell online. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. As you can see here, as we open our web browser and go to online store like Etsy, you'll see that there are a lot of digital products that you can sell here, whether it could be a template for a specific type of digital product, or it could be a clip art like this one here. But today we will talk about what are the top digital products that you can sell here on Etsy or any platforms for selling it online. So first up here is clip art. You can definitely sell clip art here, and what you can do is you can actually let AI generate clip art images for you depending on what type of image you want to generate here. So for example, you can go to Leonardo AI or Midjourney depending on what type of platform you're using to generate AI images. And when you click on AI generation tool and use a prompt for creating the clip art, you will see that you will be able to create images like these one in just a matter of seconds. So you can definitely just modify that here, whether you want to change the animal into a different character. You can definitely do that here on Leonardo AI or any AI generation tool that you have. And another thing here, another top selling digital product is a digital paper. Either it could be a for digital editing, or it could be a print out for a specific project that your customers would look into. You can definitely use that here as well. So what you can do is, with using Leonardo AI, they actually have a prompt generation where you can just type in what type of digital paper or what type of design you'd like to create here on Leonardo AI. And then you just need to wait for Leonardo AI to generate the prompts for you, so that you no longer need to think on what type of prompt you will be using, so that you'll be able to achieve images like these one. And keep in mind, when you are creating digital products here on Leonardo AI, it's best to use Leonardo Creative or Leonardo Diffusion so that you'll be able to create images like these ones here. So you can go to prompt generation, and let's say you want a wallpaper pattern, and as you can see, there are four prompts that Leonardo has generated for us. So you can use Dream Shaper version 5 for this, and you can see that there are different types of design that you can use. With the different prompts that you have, you can actually generate that depending on what you prefer. So here there are whimsical designs, there are geometric designs, depending on what type of digital paper rather that you will be creating here. So another top selling product here is a video background. So these images can be used in your Zoom meetings as your digital backgrounds, and this is actually one of the top selling products that you can sell online as well. So you can just simply go to Leonardo AI and just type in a prompt for your interior of an office, or office interior rather, and then you just let Leonardo AI to generate the prompt for you. And when you click on generate here, it will automatically load up the image. And there you have it. So you can definitely use that depending on what type of background you want to use into your online store. So the next thing here is an events invitation, whether it could be a birthday card invitation or whether it would be a wedding invitation. You can definitely let AI to generate the design for you, and you can just simply go to Canva or Photopea to edit those images so that you can modify the text or the um, words within the image that you have. So, for example, you just want that specific part to be modified, you can definitely use these editing tools for free so that you will be able to sell a digital product like the invitation here, and it would be easy for your clients to customize and to modify on their end. Here, so you can simply use Photopea in any web browser you have, and then you can just um, enclose the text here with the lasso tool, and then you can just simply go to edit, and there is a there where you can just use the brush tool and then pick the color on the background of the image, and then just simply draw it within the area that you selected on the image. And you can see you already have a template for your wedding invitation design. So the next topic here is the mock-up photo. So instead of selling your digital arts plainly with just the image of the digital art that you created, you can actually use mock-up photos like these ones so that your audience or your clients will be able to see the how your art would look like within the frame or within a specific space that you want the art to be located. So you can simply use AI for this one as well. You can say mock up photo in a living room, and then you can just use the photo editor like Photopea, and then you can just cut out the part of the frame that has the design that was generated on AI or Leonardo AI, and then you can just simply go to Canva for this once you have deleted the image, and then you can just enclose or replace the image with the icon here, so that when you will be using or saving this as a template and you'll be using this link here and pasting it into your online store, your clients or your customers will be able to replace the image easily depending on what type of image they will be selling. So another thing here, or the last top digital product to sell, is a coloring book, whether it could be for children's or an adult's coloring book. You can definitely use that here. You can see I have generated images like a teddy bear, horse, different types of animals. And what you can do is you just need to include in your prompt the word coloring book and what type of art style is being used. It's best as well to use the words like sharp lines, bold lines, and black and white on paper so that it will generate images for you with no renders or no colors. And those are the top selling digital products to sell online with the help of AI image generation tools like Leonardo or Midjourney. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.